I just wanted to see how...
You can walk freely.
He's a good boy. He's a curly tail. He's a curly tail. Yeah, he gained a lot of weight. Good job, girl. Hi. Hi. Very people-oriented.
I know, you would eat any out of house and home if you could.
Oh, he looks his coat shiny, not like it used to be.
No, 3 baths it took because the towel kept on getting black when we washed them. He was so dirty. Come on, let's go out front. Come on.
I'm just recording now so y'all can see. Good boy. Yeah, I see how he's like crosswalking.
Yeah.
I don't think it's bad. It's a little lower in the back. Let's go. You look so much better. Yes, you do. Hi, boy. And he leans, right? Just like a Dane does. Okay. Good boy. The nuts are still going to come off today. Look at his head. Can you sit? Does he do anything already? Oh, he's not there yet.
Sometimes he can. Bosco. Come here, pup. Come here. Bosco, come here. Come here, pup. Come here. You sit. You sit. You sit. You sit. Come on. Sit.
Butt down.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
All right.